Okay, now we have another example of a triangle. In this example, obviously you can see the triangle is in a different formation. What we're going to do, we're going to pretend like we were drawing like a bird. Okay, so we're going to say this is a bird's head, and we're going to assume that this is a bird's beak. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to call this point right here, we're going to call that x1 and y1, this point right here. This point right here, we are going to call x2, y2. And then the third one, obviously x3, y3. Now, it is relatively easy when you break it down to look like this. So if you're looking up here at our lines of code, I'm just going to bring this down a little bit. You're going to notice what we did for our x1 and y1. I came over 375 pixels to get to x1. I came down 200 pixels to get to y1. Okay. My next one, my x2, y2, you'll notice I came over 250 pixels in, and then I came down 150 pixels down to get to my y2. All right, pretty easy. Now, the nice thing you're going to notice here, between y2 and y3, okay, you're going to notice that it's just a little bit further down. My two x values of my x2 and my y2, they stay the same, as you can see from the example here. 250 is my x2, 250 is my is my x3. That's how comes we get this straight line here. Okay, they're both the same distance, 250 pixels over. Okay, so here for my x3, y3, again, I came in 250 pixels, and then I came down 250 pixels. And that will give us a nice looking beak here for our bird. So hopefully this one helps you out too. Again, just a different scenario. But again, the easiest way to do this is if you mark off your 3 points or even draw them down on a piece of paper. Try to visualize where you want them. Again, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Hopefully this helps you out. And let me know if you need any help.